So, ano yung wage level? So, yung wage level daw is yung approximate value ng wages at a specific point in time. So, yung wage level, yun yung current value in a specific time ng wages. So, yung wage level is categorized into high paying categories and low paying categories, no? So bukas na natin i-discuss yung low paying categories at saka yung high paying categories. Pero magbibigay lang ako ng quick overview. Yung high paying categories is yung lawyer, doktor, teacher. Doon sa nakita kong website, ang systems analyst at ang analyst programmer is pang number 12 and number 13, no? At yung low paying categories naman is yung mga nagtatrabaho sa yung mga blue collar workers na i-discuss ko bukas, yung involved sa mining, sa construction, at sa kung ano pa mang industries dyan na blue coral work. So bukas na natin i-discuss yan. But yung wage level is yung high paying categories and low paying categories, yun yung divisions ng wage level. So nakapag na tayo ng wage trip, 'di ba? Yung dapat nilang matanggap pero hindi nila natanggap. Ito wage level. So kasi kailangan malaman mo rin 'yan kasi yan doon mo malalaman na yung degree mo o yung specialization mo is belong to the high paying categories or dun sa low paying categories. So yun yung magandang natututunan natin ngayong araw. So yun lang po.